I've tried, window cleaner, all sorts of cleaners, and it just wouldn't clean it. I'd always end up with it looking like that right there on that half. But I picked up some of this stuff, Mother's Mag and aluminum polish, and I've seen other people use it on their headlights on their cars. But I figure, well, maybe it'll work on this windshield because I've tried everything else and with really no luck at all. It always just ends up looking like that half right there. I put it on with paper towel, tried to make it even, not too thick, let it dry just a little bit, and then I buffed it out with this towel. I'd probably get better results if I had a buffing wheel, which I don't have one, so I'm doing it all by hand. But this is, even though it's not perfect, it is so much better than trying to drive around and look through that over there. So we'll see how long it lasts, but right now this is what I've got, or what I've figured out for cleaning this windshield. And eventually I might either replace the windshield or cut the top half off so I just have a half windshield. I've seen some people do that. Maybe even put a hinge on it so I can just fold the top half down. And that might work also. So we'll see. But right now I'm pretty pleased with the results of kind of buffing this windshield out. I've done both sides, front and back, and it seems to work best. That's my my remedy right now. My if you know of anything that works better, for this kind of windshield, please let me know.